Hello viewers and welcome back to your guide to COVID-19. In this video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about the COVID-19 vaccine. Whether it's safe, whether it's effective, how it works, everything. Let's get into it.
We will first discuss the biological mechanism behind how the COVID-19 vaccine works. The COVID-19 vaccine is classified as an mRNA vaccine. As I explain what an mRNA vaccine is, please follow along with the arrows on the slide. First, the COVID-19 mRNA vaccine injects a piece of mRNA into immune cells. This mRNA is used to produce the spike protein that is also found on the COVID-19 virus's surface. Once the spike protein is produced by the immune cells place the spike protein on top of their outer surface of the cell. It is important to note that the spike protein is completely harmless, and once the mRNA has been used to produce the spike protein, it is completely degraded without even entering the nucleus of the immune cell. So now we have our spike proteins on the immune cell surface, but what good does this do? Well, the immune system will soon realize that this spike protein does not belong to the body. It does not actually belong to the immune cell. And as a result of this recognition, the immune system will start producing antibodies that target the virus on which the spike protein was originally found. That way, when the COVID-19 virus actually enters the body will already have these antibodies prepared that will 1. Identify the spike protein, and 2. Allow the immune system to recognize these viruses so that it can target it and eliminate it from the body. There are currently a lot of concerns on whether the COVID-19 vaccine is safe, so now we'll be discussing the safety of the vaccine. First, I will debunk some common myths about the COVID-19 vaccine. The fact is that you cannot get COVID-19 from the vaccine because, as I've explained before, no form of the vaccine is being injected into your body. Second, you still have to wear a mask and practice all the safety precautions even after you get your vaccine. Finally, all the vaccine trials that have occurred so far have indicated no serious side effects of the COVID-19 vaccine. Please do note that this vaccine does have some side effects, such as swelling and pain at the site of injection, fever and chills, and tiredness and headaches. However, if your side effects aren't going away in a few days or if they're increasing in intensity, you should call the doctor immediately. The vaccine may also not be suitable for certain groups of people, such as people with health conditions that affect their immune system, pregnant women, and people with certain allergies. It is always best to ask your doctor if you're unsure. Next, we will discuss some benefits of vaccination. The first benefit of COVID-19 vaccination is that trials show that COVID-19 vaccination can actually prevent COVID-19 and build immunity for protection from this virus. And the second benefit is that COVID-19 vaccination can be used to reduce the spread of the virus and actually stop the COVID-19 pandemic, which is something that we all want. Finally, we will talk about the stages of administration for the COVID-19 vaccine. The vaccine will be administered in 2 shots with a time period of 3 to 4 weeks between the 2 shots. The vaccine itself is also being administered in levels. First, healthcare professionals have received the vaccine. Second, people ages 75 and over and frontline essential workers receive the vaccine. The third stage is other essential workers, people ages 16 to 64 with medical conditions such as cancer, Down syndrome, type 2 diabetes, and others, and people that are ages 65 to 74 receive the vaccine. And finally, the general population will be receiving the vaccine. It is important to note that children will not be receiving the vaccine, as trials have not included children.
We hope that you enjoyed this video and were able to learn something new about the COVID-19 vaccine. If you want to see more videos like this, please be sure to like and subscribe. Also check out our Twitter and Instagram posted in the description. Thank you and see you next time.